Good morning, dear children. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Today we are going to learn our new lesson, that is lesson 6, North East India. The name of the lesson is North East India. Please all of you take your book and open page number 10. Okay, let's start the lesson. North East India is the easternmost region of India. So in northeast in India, there are many religions people are living together. Okay, and it comprises 8 states, the 7 sister state and the Himalayan state of Sikkim. So in northeast there are 8 states. Among that 8 states, there are 7 sisters state and one is Himalayan state of Sikkim. Okay, so now we are going to learn about that. The first one is the land of the down-lit mountains. The land of the down-lit mountains. It is located in Arunachal Pradesh. Tawang Monastery is the largest Indian monastery and one of the largest monasteries in Asia, also known as Golden Namche Lhasa. Okay, Golden Namche Lhasa. So this in that there are 2 names, Tawang Monastery and it has another name, that is Golden Namche Lhasa. It is located in Asia. It is located in Asia. This is the largest monastery in India. Which is the largest monastery in India? We have to write Tawang Monastery. Okay, Tawang Monastery. Otherwise, it has another name, that is Golden Namche Lhasa. Golden Namche Lhasa. Okay, either you have to write Tawang Monastery, otherwise Golden Namche Lhasa. Okay, so these are located in Himachal Pradesh.
वो प्लेस बना के रख दिए हैं, ठीक है?
So second one is the hanging bamboo bridges. The hanging bamboo bridges are built over Siang River at Alang. They are made of can and bamboo by the local tribes. So in that Arunachal Pradesh there is one more famous place, that is hanging bamboo bridges. Hanging bamboo bridges. This is a famous in Arunachal Pradesh. So these bridges built over Siang River at Alang. Okay, they are made of can and bamboo by the local tribes. That's why it is called as the bamboo bridges. And second, Gateway of 7 Sisters. Gateway of 7 Sisters. Madan Kamdev. Madan Kamdev is a famous archaeological site located in Kamrup district. This site is located in Kamrup district. Kopeshwara temple, okay, and Parvati Guha are the most visited temple and cave. So in Madan Kamdev there is a famous Kopeshwara temple and Parvati Guha are the most visited. There are many tourist people can come and visit the place, and there are many temple and cave also located in that place. That is in Assam. And Majli River Island. The one more is Majli River Island. Is one of the largest river islands in the world. So which is the largest river islands in the world? We have to write Majli River Island. We have to write Majli River Island near Georgia. Okay, this island is located near Jorget. This island is located near Jorget. It is home to rare flora and fauna. So it is home to rare flora and fauna. So the next we are in Meghalaya. So first we visited Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. Third we are in Meghalaya. Okay. So about which we are learning, that is located in our particular place. So picture also we have in our book. If you want, you may see a picture. Now in Meghalaya there are the abode of clouds. The abode of clouds. The root bridges of Cherrapunji are not built. So in the Meghalaya, the root bridges of Cherrapunji, it is not a built one. They have grown over 100 of years. Located in the rainforest of Cherrapunji, they are alive and still growing and gaining strength over time. So root bridges of Cherrapunji, it is not a proper built one. Okay, still it is unbuilt. Okay, so it is located in Cherrapunji. So still these bridges are alive and still growing and gaining to the strength over time. So still it is strong and it can carry many peoples in that. And Mausami caves are near Cherrapunji are the limestone caves near the village of Mausami. They are known for a number of deep caves. They also have the Kramliat Prague cave, that is the longest cave in Asia. So which is the longest cave in Asia? For example, question comes like this: which is the longest cave in Asia? So we have to write Mausami caves. This is the longest cave in India. And where this cave is located, in which place it is located, that is Mausami village. And land of the Konaik people. Land of the Konaik people. Topnam tourist village. So this is located in tourist village, offer views of the surrounding valleys. Offers views of surrounding valleys. The Hornbill Festival of Nagaland. So which is the Nagaland festival? Otherwise, what is the name of the Nagaland festivals? We have to write Hornbill Festival of Nagaland. Hornbill Festival is the festival of Nagaland. It is one of the most important Naga festival. This is the important festival of Nagaland. How we have celebrated Holi, Deepavali is an important festival of us. So likewise for Nagaland, the Hornbill festival is one of the important festival held at the Heritage Village. So this festival is held only at the Heritage Village. The Hornbill festival showcases food, dances and costumes. So these festivals is located, okay. So in that festivals we wear new dress and prepare different food. They were enjoyed in that festival. And originator of polo game. Originator of polo game. Sri Govindaji Temple, Impal. So Manipur. Sri Govindaji Temple is in Manipur. Is one of the major temples of Manipur. So this is one of the major temples of Manipur, where the main deity of Govindaji is stated. So this place only, the Govindaji temple is located. The people are telling that is East place. Manipur temple, that is East place. Okay, in another place we cannot find it. So now Lotak Lake. The next one is Lotak Lake is the largest freshwater. Okay, largest freshwater lake. So Dash is the largest freshwater lake. That is Lotak. Okay, Lotak Lake. That is Lotak Lake. It is the only floating lake in the world. It is the only floating lake in the world. Manipur is the home of Manipur Bro and antlered deer. Okay, so this is remaining lessons we will see in the next class. I hope you understand the lesson. So learn well for your exam. Thank you and have a nice day.